Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on something we've already done before, but I think we're going to do it better this time. This is Zenkaiger. This model is by Desert Fair Cosplay. I'm sure you might have seen them. They were the Zenkaiger at PMC this year, 2022. I know there were like 1,000 pictures of everybody with them. But this is their helmet model. It actually has a buck to make the visor, the clear part in front, as well as magnets to hold the whole part in, still has everything else. So I think we might get a little crazy. We're going to make at least 3 of these. At least 3. One to replace the one I have. One is a gift. And I'd like to do Zenkaiger Black. And maybe we'll do Zenkaiger Red. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know how we're going to get them all going in this video. The second one's still printing. As you see, had a little bit of slight under extrusion. We saved this one. Had the same with the back. I don't know. I think I got a bad batch of filament again, but we will see. This one is not looking anywhere near as good as this, so not hopeful. Not hopeful, but we are going to sand this with some 80, 220, 320. We'll get some primer on it, and then we'll see how it looks. These 3, we're going to put some primer on it, and I think we're about ready for just like some touch-up stuff, and we're going to do the backs prime too. Do these batches. I'm going to do these in the V-fins. Just going to use this extreme lacquer testers, this icy blue. I think it's going to be good enough. And for the emblem or the V-fins, I think I'm going to use the extreme gold as well. So that's the plan. We'll get paint on these, and hopefully they look okay. I don't know. I feel like we maybe need to do some touch-ups on this, but I'm not sure. We're going to put the red on here. That dry this weekend. We should put the silver on and hopefully clear coat this. Or we might wait till everything's together then clear coat it. That's probably the easier and safest way, but we will see. Right, that looks tasty. So hopefully it dries okay. We'll get the silver on it, and then I still need to like get the buck sanded, and we're getting there. We'll see what happens. Okay, sorry. I'm doing this on the floor in my house because I don't really have a place to do it. But this is the Zenkaiger Visor buck. This is the 4th pull
Took me a little bit to figure out. So I haven't quite used this machine a lot yet. I'm not like 100% on it. Here we are. Here we are. I think this looks good. It started melting a tiny bit right here on the top. I did the one for Hawk's helmet first, and his is super nice. This isn't like a huge deal. It's like barely noticeable. It's still pretty smooth. I think it turned out well. I got 4 visors now. The one's a little weird on the side because it like didn't suck down the whole way, but it was far enough. I think we can use it. Again, the other 3 are for me, so it's not a huge deal. But this is hopefully pretty good. Pretty good. I'll probably have to cut this one out. The other 2 I can pull out, but this one is in there pretty good. And the buck held up. It held up pretty well. I think I might have been like rushing a little bit in between. I think maybe if we let it cool more. This one wasn't printed to the specifications they suggest. Bucks on here, I believe it is 30% infill, 0.2 layer height, and I think 1.4 wall thickness with four walls. This one was just my regular 10% infill and all that. We're gonna get these cut out and then we will move on. All right, we're gonna put the base coat on Zenkai Red here, and I think it should be okay. I'm gonna use the high performance red. I was gonna use just regular satin, so it'd be quicker, but it should be okay. It should be okay. We just have to do that little silver part. Shouldn't be a big deal to mask, so we'll see. Okay, we're gonna do the black stripe on Zenkai Black. We're using flat black, so hopefully maybe tomorrow we can just do the silver. And he's pretty much done, so that's the plan. Okay, this is my Zenkaiser normal one. I'm gonna use that satin that I've been using for some stuff. I think it's gonna look okay once we clear it. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna find out. So it's kind of a test run. If not, we'll deal with it later, but that's the plan. Okay, so we got these together. I got magnets in the front of black. I gotta get more magnets to do the visors. I gotta cut out the rest of the plastic. I didn't cut them out yet. Gotta do the gold on Red's emblem. These are good to go though, so hopefully we can get these cleared this week, and then we should be done. But this is the one for Achilles. We're gonna get it cleared here. I'm gonna use some 1K Duplicolor clear gloss. Should look good. I'm not happy with the numbers. I'm really not. I talked to Desert Fair and they resin printed their numbers. If I had my resin printer up and going already, I would just do that, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet. It's still in the box. Still waiting on some stuff. So maybe I will print them, and if they look better, I mean, they will look better. I'll send Hawk a new one or something. He can put it on. It's just hot glued in there. I'm sure if you just wedged it, it'd pop right off. So that's the plan. We're gonna get clear on this. All right, this is a little wild. I don't know. I'm just trying to get this done. So we're gonna clear all 3 of these. We got the visors here. Well, the inner visor parts, backs. Red, I just put the gold on the emblem. It's sitting over there. Might just clear that separately like tomorrow and we'll glue it on. I should have magnets either here or coming tomorrow. I'll find out, but we should be able to get these finished tomorrow, I hope. That's the plan. Let's get 3 coats of 1K clear on it and see how these turn out. All right, that was interesting. Hopefully they turn out all right. I did notice this visor like down here. Could use another coat of blue. I think I did say that before, but it's kind of noticeable. But we'll see. Whatever, it's not a big deal. I'll do the emblem in the morning. Shouldn't be a huge ordeal. And then hopefully we can put these together tomorrow and wrap this up just real quick before I time lapse this. For these visors, Desert Fair put places to put little magnets here and here. I don't quite have ones that fit here. I'm going to be using these little ones I have. Little ones. It should be okay. With black here, I already put some in before I realized I was going to run out. So hopefully they're not, I don't think they're quite the same size, but I doubled them up, just super glued them in. And then all you do is you put this in and you put the visor part, the cleared, in front, and it's just held in with friction. Just do that. And then you put the magnets in here, and then it just kind of fits right in if you do everything correctly. That's what you end up looking with. The magnets are good enough to hold it in place pretty well. I know for Hawks, it didn't really move around. It came loose shipping. You put all the magnets in here. We're going to get the elastic and everything going, and then we will get to the spin around. Okay, there we go. That is all the Zenkaizers I ever want to do. That's enough. We did 4 in this video. We got black, red, and normal, base, whatever you want to call it. I do want to do Super Zenkaiser, so look forward to that one of these days. One of these we'll get around to that. So these are beautiful models by Desert Fair Cosplay. Make sure you check them out on their Etsy store. They're doing great things. They have the Geared Slinger over there, a couple other helmet files. I believe they're working on a Geats helmets that you with like replaceable jaw plates, so you can buy like the base helmet and you get like the monster buckle jaw and stuff like that. So that's gonna be really cool. That's probably the Geats I'm probably gonna be doing once they finally get them done. So look forward to that. I know I am. And hopefully you checked out Achilles' stream the other day where he unboxed his helmet we sent him. He is the nice one out of the 4 of these. So these they were failed prints. I think we pulled the fronts together well enough that they're okay. The backs don't line up super well because they have that huge layer shift. It just kind of made them off on that one side. There's not much we could really do. Maybe heat them and push them in, but it doesn't quite work like that. I think the emblems need to be printed in resin. I might replace these once I finally get my resin printer up and going. I think that's going to be a solid plan. Red's just a hot mess, but it looks well enough. I'm excited to finally have black, and this one is still better than my base Zenkaiser. So I'm happy to have them. Don't know where I'm going to put them. I'm so nervous with the stupid V-fin everywhere. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you check out Achilles' video. That should be going up today at the same time. I'll put it down in the description. So if you want to check him out, make sure you do. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Down in the description is the link tree for the Discord. Come hang out, talk about helmets and all kinds of stuff. Also, the merch store, we got some new shirts. I finally ordered some, so hopefully they come soon enough so I can have them in my videos. And then, as always, the Patreon. We just started the Community Build 3 poll today, so make sure you check that out. It's going to be going for 2 weeks. This video jumped the queue because I was trying to get out at the same time as Achilles, so that's topical. It's actually happening right now, so check it out. We got a $1 tier if you just want to help out. I super appreciate it. You still get to vote, and you get to see the exclusive Community Build video. All the other tiers, you get access to the exclusive custom helmet videos on there and all that. So make sure you check it out. Check out all the tiers. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Sorry if this was kind of a hot mess of a video. I've worked on 4 helmets that are different but not really at the same time. So it was something new for me. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like seeing these failed prints at least come somewhat together. But for now, thanks for watching. Have a great day.